Hello my dear friends, this is a hanging basket of the Brahmi plant, that is the Bacopa monnieri, and these have been planted about 6 months back and they have grown somewhat excessively, and because of the lack of space for growth in the basket, some have dried out, some have dried leaves, and it's high time that I have to reset them in a proper way after removing the dead ends and reducing the root ball, dividing the pups and planting the new stems and pups in their place. Out. And kept on a stool. And the growth is verified, you can see. So many dead ends. These have to be removed, cut, and the root ball taken out. Cut the dead ends, long branches, and finally take out the root ball. See, some have grown very long, and some of these are actually stems. Being a creeper like plant, they hung out, that's why they are fit for hanging baskets. I'll finish it and then try to take out the root ball, which will be shown next. See, I have cut off a lot of stems, and these are the remaining parts, which also I am cutting. You can see it. Some of these stems which are healthy will be used to replant, and part of the root ball also will be used. Dried stems like this also hang down along with the healthy ones, which spoils the look of the hanging basket and the plant. So the least damage has to be done to the roots. See, I have almost taken it out. Now these are the stem cuttings that will be planted back into it, and a part of this root ball can be taken out and used in the new basket, in the new setup of the basket. And here is the potting mix that I have just put together. This consists of an all-in-one manure, kind of with perlite, compost, cocoa peat, etc. And this is fresh garden soil. These are mixed together like this, and this will be put into the basket like this. A part of it will be saved here, so that after we put these parts back into the pot, the balance mix can be put back into it. This is where we are. See, you have to take out the older ones like this. You just don't have to worry about whether they're fully rooted or not. Just put the saved potting mix into it and just shake it a little bit. Don't worry whether the soil will be on the top of the plants or somewhere else, because they know how to come out of the soil. There is more than enough of the stems here, and these are the ones that I have removed from the basket, and these can be, if you want, plant into some kind of container, a pot, and make new plants if you like. Because I got more than enough, I'll be just discarding them. And the last stage is putting some water so that the whole thing sets together like this. See, so thank you anyway for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, share and like it, and see you soon with another video. Until next, bye, see you.